Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply for an Oman e-visa for your tourism purpose, or you can say tourist visa. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, in front of you I have opened this official Oman e-visa site. Now, on the main page, you have this link apply to tourist visa. But before you do that, I would suggest you go ahead and click the login link and create an account for you. You can do it from here as well. But before we even go into there, find out um, what kind of visa they offer. Like, let's say you want to visit, okay, and you are not being sponsored by someone. So you are going to select. Now you have tourist visit visa. Okay, you have tourist visa, and you have like all various kinds of visa that you can apply for. So you need to do based on your um, situation. Now click on apply for tourist visa. Okay. And as I said, you can click here, register for new user. It's going to ask you some details and it's going to send you an email to the email account that you share. And then you got to verify it. And once you verify it, you can log in. So I've already done that step. So I'm going to log in straight away and I'll see you guys. So when you log in, this is the screen that you see, okay? And when you wanna apply for a visa, you're gonna click apply for visa, and we have a link for unsponsored visa. Nationality as shown in your passport. Let me see. I'm not sure if Indian nationals are available. Are resident in a GCC country? I select no. Select next. If not, we'll check that. You might be eligible for following visa. Okay. Okay, I am. Tourist visa. Visit to Oman by a person who is a spouse, child of a dependent holding. Okay. Visit to Oman by a person who is listed to be allowed. So there are some conditions. Valid Schengen visa or one of the following countries apply. Morocco is applicable. Visit to Oman. Okay, who's a New Zealand national. Okay, now if I click on start again, if I change this to Canada, do I see different options? Let me see. GCC, I'm clicking no, but if you are, definitely. Okay, so there is no condition for tourist visa. Okay, 5-year multi for specified purpose, 30 days visa, 30 days visa, multiple entry 1 year. Okay, so I want to apply for tourist visa, so I'll go with this option. I click here. Okay, I don't know why it took me out, but I'll try once more. Okay, I will go through it once more. Okay, this time I'm in and I selected the same. I got this option. I click on OK. All right, so I see this. So I'll be qualifying for 26B tourist visit visa. So travel document number, applicant details, previous visa details if you have next. Let me see if I go to other tabs. Oh no, unless I clear. Require application summary, submission summary. Of course, I won't go through all the tabs because I won't be submitting, but let's give me a sample. Documents nationality, I select Canada. Type, I select passport. Issue date. You need to do as per your case. Okay, guys, don't go by this. Place of issue, I just put Toronto. Given name. Date of birth. Yeah, date of birth. I'm just putting a sample. place of birth. I click next. Okay, here it's just asking to verify mother's name, mother status. Wow, his name, I'll say, what name I should give? Eliza Smith. Okay, just simple. Next. Now it has asked for the required documents, photo and passport copy, optional documents. If you want to provide, if you need any help with, you can click on help icon and it's gonna tell you more about it. Okay. In the next page, if you are gonna confirm the details, then it's gonna show the summary and then you submit. So definitely I'm not gonna go through that because there's sample video, but thanks for watching this guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.